Atlantis and friends present.
It's time for car racing. It's Billy and Lisa Chipper versus myself and Shirley Boggins. Let's do this.
Alright, we got this, Shirley. Let's pick the right vehicle.
Oh yes, certainly, like Gabriel, we're gonna win this. No way. Me and Billy are gonna wipe you guys out. That's right, Lisa. We got this, no problem.
Alright, you two, bring it.
Oh, it's already been brought, Gabriel.
Oh ho ho!
Sega, you're in car number 1.
All right, Gabriel, let's do this.
Oh yeah, first place, and we're gonna stay in first place.
What was that, Gabriel? We overtook you. Hey, nicely done, Billy.
Oh, thank you, Lisa. Wow, look at that carnival.
Stay on your side. Nice drifting, Billy.
Oh, thank you, Lisa. I'm a professional, I think.
All right, Gabriel, let's put it in the high gear.
Alright, here we come. Yeah. We're coming for you, Billy.
No way, I'm staying in first place. Yeah, you stay back here. I'll block you.
Oh, we're gonna get around you.
All right, Lisa, we're regaining control. We're still in first.
All right, Gabriel, time to put it in overdrive.
Alright, no problem, Shirley. Hold tight. We're coming for you.
Ow!
Hey, watch it.
Oh, right on your kill. We're coming for you.
Steady, Billy.
Oh yeah, Gabriel and Shirley, first place.
Nicely done, Gabriel.
Thank you so much, Shirley. We got this.
All right, Billy, let's put in the turbo.
Oh, yeah, Lisa. We're gonna start.
They wiped out.
That's right.
Let's get him, Gabriel. Hey, stay away.
I'm gonna get around you.
Ha ha! What was that, Gabriel?
What the heck?
What the heck is this? Why are these people on the road? They're going like 3 miles an hour. Get out of the road.
Okay, calm down, Billy. Just get around him.
Wait, what?
What happened? You know what happened. I say we win. Ha ha!
Oh, yeah, I'm so happy. We win with a pass.
Created and presented by Gabriel Atlantis.